Welcome to our programming channel. Today we are going to see ref keyword in C Sharp. Now we are taking integer variable a in main method and we are assigning value 5 to variable a. We are taking one method. So we are taking method sum. Now we are calling method sum and we are passing this variable a to this method and here parameter int a, and in this method with parameter we are adding value 5. So a is equal to a plus 5. Now we want to print value of this a after sum with 5 or after addition with 5, and this value will be value in this method sum. So here console.writeLine value inside method sum, value of a, value of a inside method sum, and here a, and also we want to print value of this a before calling method sum, and also value of this a after calling method sum. So here console.writeLine value of a before calling method sum, console.writeLine value of a after calling, here after calling method sum, after calling method sum, and console.readline run the program. We can see value of a before calling method sum is equal to 5 and value of a after calling method sum is equal to 5, and here we can see change in value of a inside method sum, and here we can see value 10, but we cannot see any change in original a. We cannot see value 10 here, we can see value 5 here. So original value of a variable a did not change and remain unchanged. When we passed this variable a to method sum, at that time copy of value was passed here. So here 5 plus 5 became 10, but the real value was unaffected because only copy of this value was passed, so real value was remain unchanged. So this concept is called as pass by value. Now if we want to change value of this a, or we want to make change in original value, then we have to pass reference of this value, and we can pass the reference with two keywords, with ref keyword and without keyword. And in this video we will see about ref keyword. We can use ref keyword while passing the variable and here in the parameter of method. And now if we run, here we can see value of a before calling method sum is equal to 5 and value of a, now value of a is changed inside the method and it became 10. So here value of a inside method sum is equal to 10 and here we can see value of a after calling method sum is equal to 10 when value inside method sum is changed. At that time original value of variable a is also changed and it became 10 because we have passed reference and not copy of value. So here real value is affected and original value is changed. So in this way we can use ref keyword and here value 5 is assigned to variable a. If we remove the value, if we remove the value, we get the error use of unassigned ref keyword local variable a. So here when we use ref keyword at that time while declaring variable it is compulsory to assign the value. For understanding purpose we have taken here same variable name a. We can give other name also. So here we are giving name a new. Now here we can see value of a before calling method sum is equal to 5. Value of a new inside method sum is equal to 10 and value of a after calling method sum is equal to 10. So we get the same result. So here this is variable, so we can take other name also. Now here we can use string variable also. So string first we will pass string variable without ref keyword or we will pass string variable with value. So here first we have assigned value dinosaur to string variable a and in method we have assigned value Godzilla. Here we can change the method name but currently we are taking the same name. Value of a before calling method sum is equal to dinosaur. Value of a inside method sum is equal to Godzilla. Value of a after calling method sum is equal to dinosaur. Here value of string variable a is changed and it became Godzilla. But here we cannot see change in original value, so here we can see dinosaur. So this is string variable with pass by value method. Now instead of passing value we will pass reference and we will use ref keyword. So here ref keyword while passing the variable, and here also ref keyword in the parameter. Now we can see value of a before calling method sum is equal to dinosaur, value of a inside method sum is equal to Godzilla, and here we can see change in original value. Value of a after calling method sum is equal to Godzilla, and here instead of a can take any, and now also here also we can see change in original string value. So in this way we can use ref keyword with string variable also, and here also while declaring the string variable also it is necessary to assign the value. So otherwise use of unassigned ref keyword local variable a, we get the error. That's all for ref keyword in C Sharp. In our channel, there are regular uploads of programming related videos. So for latest updates, please subscribe the channel and like and share videos. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.